Hey guys, so here I am on my Zoom account testing everything out. I got my light up here and I got my camera here, and hopefully the audio sounds okay. I think I've got everything set up because on Thursday, April 3rd at 1 o'clock, I'm going to be getting on here live with you guys and answering questions that you might have. But our focus is my morning cleanse. I've been doing my morning cleanse for 3, 4 years, and I've had excellent results. And I'm here to help you guys get into doing the morning cleanse too. So that's the point of this webcast. And then if you enjoy this webcast, there will be opportunities to join me in the future to get additional coaching. But if you would like to be part of this webcast, I'm going to be putting a link probably down there. It's just you go to mymorningcleanse.com/free. I do already have a video course there kind of explaining the morning cleanse. So you'll kind of start to get into what the morning cleanse is just by signing up. But you need to sign up for that link because that's where I'm going to send the invite link. And hopefully everything works out and we don't have any glitches because the reason I'm doing this free event is to learn how to operate all this Zoom stuff. So all right, guys, I hope you enjoy, or I hope you join me for my free event. Look for the link and follow my page if you have not, my Facebook page. And also, I have a YouTube account. So if you don't know about that, Stephanie Carroll or Stephanie Klotz, I recently changed my name. Stephanie Klotz, My Morning Cleanse, or it's probably Morning Cleanse, Stephanie Klotz Morning Cleanse. But that's my YouTube channel. You can go see all the many videos I have there, lots of recipe videos, but I'm rambling. Sign up for the link, join me for the live, and I will see you Thursday. Bye.